I'm going to do my first oil change for my dad.
You got these little teeth right here. See how you can adjust them? See those little teeth right there? So you can adjust your height. Okay, let it down and make sure it's locked in. So when you hear that click, you know it's locked. Okay, so sometimes you have to pull it up there to see how high this front end is up. So you want to come down a little bit. Just raise that little lever on the side a little bit until you hear it slip down and lock. Actually, it went down too far. Okay, now it's locked. And you sit down underneath there like that. Okay? And that's all there is to it. Heavy in the front, that's why it's not that easy to do. Jack that thing like that. The pump it. You use the lighter way to do it, so it'll be a lot easier. This is about, I think this is about a 6,000 pound man. So evenly, it's about 3,000 pounds you're trying to jack up in the front. A bit more. It's wheel chucks. Whenever you want to jack up on the front end or the rear end, depending on which end you want to jack up, how you want to work. You always want to come to the back, because when you jack it up the front end like that, your car is going to roll a little bit. Whenever you elevate the front end up like that, when you jack it up, you're going to have some kind of body roll. So to prevent the wheels from rolling, you always want to chuck them real good in the back, because you're working in the front. So when you get underneath there, then it's nice and stable. It won't roll on you at all. So that's why tighten it down all the way, it seals. There will be no leaks. Okay? So whenever you pull off the old oil filter, make sure that that seal is not still on the side of the engine where the oil filter is supposed to go. Alright? Around the seal, like that. Okay? So when you go to tighten down the filter, it will be self-sealing. Okay. Alright. So now go ahead and install that.